the next way person also make a say a road minister.
Okay.
Or no, and also beside the happening.
Mebusano.
The letting me a country want to say. A queer a big collapse into Kumasi. A year is nature arterial roads. Ufi a Tamaleba or for friends of Panso Abba Abedu Kumasi. All the arterial roads. If you man we feel Okwaseba, we feel Nyaiba, they are going to dualize those roads. The Bayenu sign a Bontana, the Biabeko, Anyabino, 20 kilometers. And it is also a the program is to dualize the road up to Ahimko. Offer a Buakwa, a Bessie Buakwa, offer Shunan Manswa Twas of a crack, offer baby Quanswa, and also a Twas of a crack. A year of Boase Quanso. Yeah, who said, and check the next 2 months. Or more by dual carriage. At was baby. I was in seeing I hear Marco for being for me. I could do a young contact. All the arterial roads are aiming to Masina are going to be dualized to at least
to ease traffic
20 kilometers to ease traffic. And then you are Kumasi for Santa Mine, and we have a making where the John the Baptist man made.
Oh, Peprequem. I will change Medasipano, Pessoa Brain. Leader, Mr. Leader,
we have started on could take you on.
Good work.
I think that
good work for what you are saying, but we have already started that process. We have started the process. What we are trying to do is Ofusampofo is the number one suspect that because on only the end we have all the evidence. The tapes has been authenticated by the Israelis forensics, so we know say and you for sample for voice, and he said that. So as at on my page now, no the aye say yeah jijijiska yeah pesi enya good amount na ya fa lawyer na ye mfa Ghana boss tie ni
good
ye mfa Ghana lawyer ye fa lawyer we buchiri ha and ye mfa lawyer baako ye fa a team of lawyers na case no yeah, they call Ghana. Now, yeah, could try case. That's a Ghana for say, or ye penny to your becata catasuna, oh, Munjaman and Kanya, the idea. And 1 year transfer case now by Hague. Yeah, the Beba Hague because it's part of the war crime. When you read the way war crime standard now, the for some of a kind, it falls in between that a barrier into we can take him
absolutely.
On in the Hague. It's because the Abaya Mayane say a better discuss. Akofa Ghana ni lawyer no te Ghana no for sample for be kwa akoma na car
why akoma na bribe
na akoma na car ama case na into the yanka say the lawyer say the free hako se case no se case ni be do a na ya prepare ye ho ye kwa sebe efia omo bedam die ye benya bia ma omo madam what you say the omo bedi die benya bia ma omo then we make sure we use a Ghana for na ye dollar my brother. Me say if I don't do this thing now, I will not be satisfied until I see Ofusampofo standing in a box telling us why he told people to go and burn transformers, why he told people to kidnap people's kids, why he told that he will make the country ungovernable until he's able to explain that. And whether people pay or not, we will find money. Just say to get a good lawyer, we live in a foreign world. It's expensive, but I'd rather have a competent lawyer who can judicate on a case all the way in Ghana than to pick a Ghana lawyer to wow for some of the NDC for because command the car. There be
influence.
That is not what I'm trying to do.
Bro, with them patcho be mean chawano.
Yeah.
It's in patcho kasa ube penny the means I benam so etimi esudi and so yen to boaka kaba. Me won down before me walk and me won down before Washington DC ha and near my cost was that go more. A yo muhiam. You bet me mobilize your home and then acquire so mum penny be into platform is on acquire to Bobby and be starting now. Why?
A political zone page near political zone gh@gmail.com. A PayPal. If you want to send PayPal, you can Deba and say the people in Ashanti region for that matter Kumasi say you vote near Dema Mahama. Because they say Mahama Kachina, you say, Asante for the Sabi, ya do go to your crime and cry and ye feno. Or we come and see Echo Sa yen Tio Gu, as soon as a movie Mufia make a camo. Free SHS where Jimmy Foni Bina Modia Muslim Koto about the Mahamano. Munima make a camo. The same man, or quite Kumase. Mo, yet they say, ye do go to cry your crime as Asante for and Yamufe. Owie ye no ana okọ ayi otokoko so fie ho ana obisa nwuma wo ho nina wo haw ne sen wo ho awurade bi ma semi ma me wo ho Moses oke no wo ho na en dan no wo ho papa ya mbisa mu bia nkompon kasin di Thompson po na nka ye mboma no ana Josh Alolome ne ye mboma no wo se da bi ope ultimate lumba na nka Sibo brothers ope no bi ya peda nwoma asantefo ne yan fancheche yawre wonsam fu an papa we abeka kire na o say oh min show na mehu case min tio na matimu dede nipa be wi ase ba kupo nipa be min tio na matu case o say asantefo ntimu case okosa na otumfo enu so video ho mo meye me say ya no me my platform we don't talk when we don't have evidence so me say dia ye kan bia no ukogbo a utumi ko hwe ampa dia o kan eni min ko tumre me kire usie me kan na wabo ene da ho no oka say ye the gold ye kwan man ya enye ye fawie no e no san ko sa ye nti obia na de ye mahini say sa da no so ban na boy na ye NDC for ban me bufu efu ye pa no boys ni bebre NDC for boys ye rasta mun ye rasta basa nkunko mu basa ne de tie na pe Jimmy for lie Jimmy na te bia ye mbo concept na o mine sika ne hye kwasi asem nkwa ye nuanu me abefra ye ntumi ambobra ye de o man ya hye yensa 29 years still are that should be said they already 5 years in this identity if you are yensie na we sorry or your party to beto ababa no yeah your mind asha won so asem we na sometimes Ghanaians unim it's all about critical thinking because what your mind show being sat 29 years minua and it is not a small you 29 years na onipa na wo dia dia cha no nsa 29 years no Onumwaba abejina say oh Enna why is this place not fixed? Why is this place not fixed? Our bra onu nimpefe say onu na breso ofeli ye na onim de ma NDC fo ho eye tan eye hikura ne say omuka say after Rollins Kufo ba yo mo si owe de yes yo bebe bi wo ho ba ye ko ye be di bi yes yo be di bi no ye de ma ho mo no mo si ye de ama papa bi e friend Captain Mahama General Secretary of Top and Great and Loot and Share Family Captain General Mahama himself the darling boy golden boy yes ne hokra na efenti na ma no to abama no Kofi Dubai yes kaswa metua 120 million so de bi ensio yiri ho traffic ache ho Kwame Nkrumah cycle ensio petekura na ehwe yi so metua 260 million yeah I'm the boy infrastructure mine airport ensio to na yiri ana ma dwene bone e wasa papa we etrim ntino ni project ya wo ye ni na nsuo to ya na yiri we so nyame na meka kwa